There are 5 things you need to know if you are planning to make money on TikTok. Welcome back to my channel. This is KK Thompson. Wagwan. Medea. So let's get right into the 5 things that you need to know before you open a TikTok account. The first thing you need to do is to get to 1,000 followers. 1,000 followers, you can able to go live. When you go live, you will get gifts, and the gifts will turn to money. And I will do a separate video to show you how you can get that 1,000 followers in 2 days or less than 2 days. And you can also go to other person's live, and you can share the live. You can tap for them, and they will put you in their box and allow you to make money. But the aim is to get to your 1,000 followers so you can be able to go live. The second thing you need to do is to go post video. You need to start posting and engaging. So you are going to post your video, and you are going to engage on other person's video. So if you see a video come out, if you see somebody put out a story, you can go and leave a comment. You can give a like to that video or photo, and you engage. And so as you engage with others, they will engage with you, and it will help to push out your video as well. The third thing is that TikTok allow any music. You are not restricted by music like on YT, so you can use a picture and you can just put music on it, and you create a post. You have 30-second post, you have a 60-second post, you have 10-minute post. So what that does, it allow you to be to make your video quick and fast. You understand? It allow you to do that, and you can do a wide range of things, and your video can go viral. A 30-second video can go viral. A 60-second video can go viral. Unlike TT, you have to go and plan. With TikTok, you don't have to plan. You can just take a picture and just write something on it, or you can just do a little video and it go viral. And the fourth thing you need to do is join a community. It is important for you to join a community. TikTok street is very wide, and as I always say, TikTok street is a lonely street. So when you're on TikTok street, you want to be in a community, you want to belong to somewhere. So you are, as you traverse the street, you are going to visit different community, and you are going to try and find somewhere where you are comfortable. You are comfortable at that community, and this is where you will try to level up, because leveling up is very important on TT Street. Because what happened, according to your level, people will give you. So nobody want to give somebody who is on level 0 or level 1. A level 10 person not going to come in and see a level 0 person in a box or on their live and will be just willing to give them. No, it's level for level. So you have to get on with the level if you want to make money, because you have to spend money to make money. And I can give you my testimony of that. But it is very important for you to belong to a community, because whenever you are planning anything, is your community that is going to help you. If you are planning to play a match, is your community that is going to help you. If you are having a birthday and you want to celebrate your birthday online, is your community that is going to help you, not some stranger that is passing by on TT Street. So you have to, it is very, very important that you try and be a part of a community. And 5, and most importantly, before you start your TikTok journey, check your region and see if your region is eligible for the creator market program. You have to check to see if your region, because what happened, unlike me, when I get my followers, I find ways of getting my followers, and when I reach that 10,000 mark where I'm supposed to be able to start TT start paying me, I was told that my country is not a part of the program. So you have to check your country, your region, if you are eligible for this partner program before you open your TT, or you might consider to get an international account. So this is very, very important. This is the most important thing. Check your region.